Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. This video is in collaboration with Here's Your Crown, Women Supporting Women. And this is hosted by Devin over the Freckled Mom and Connie over Connie's Nails and Creative Creations. I'll leave the links of their channels and as well as the playlist of all the participants in the description box. This is inspired from Wendy's White Sparrow Living YouTube channel. I love the way how she converted the used container into a planter, and I just followed the same way like you saw the process, and it turned out so good. And I had another small plastic container. I thought like I should create as a pair, like one small and one big. I love that concept, and I wrote grow on one and sprout another one. And you see the tags, those are basically one of the gift bags, the brown gift bags, and I cut those as tags. I attached them using jute twine. I created small jute twine bow on either one of them and stuffed with greenery. It turned out very pretty and beautiful. I'm just loving it. So let me know your thoughts on this. Like I always say, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.